G'day team, Uncle Jojo, warm cheeker to a rip roaring episode. Today we're going to talk about framing out your apartment. When we frame out an apartment, we can do it with either metal framing, or stud work, or we can use timber. In this particular apartment, I've chosen to use timber, and the main reason that we've chosen timber over metal framework is because we've got a long hallway on one side where your eye is going to run down. Anything moves and we're going to get our splits in our plaster, which is going to be dangerous. People will pick that up and they're spending a lot of money on fixing up an apartment. The other reason is that we ensure with using timber that we're stable. It's a very stable material if it's done right in the right place. Plus it's got a lot of thermal mass, and that's what we really want to do here. We're having problems along the south face in this apartment, so we want to create a little bit more of an envelope to hold energy in. So by doing stud work, number one, it's easy. We can run our planer up and down it. Although steel work when it comes out is really straight and easy to work with, we still need to noggin it out for our grab rails or any of those bits and pieces. In this instance, we can use timber and we know exactly how we can do it, where we can do it, the areas. If we need to alter it, we can just change that really quickly and easily. You can't do that as quickly and easily with steel framing or steel stud. Number one. Number two, the rigidity of timber is fantastic. We've got older people moving into this apartment, so it needs to be made sure that moving forward they can put grab rails and things like that into. They don't want to put those in yet, but moving forward, they want to be able to see the ability to add those in. So what we've done is we've made all of our doorways as big as we can, 920s, and we've put noggins in the whole way around wherever we can for grab rails. That means that wherever anything is, at 900 throughout the entire apartment, they can put grab rails in. So they can put them in the wet areas, in the laundry, in the kitchen, or anything else, just to hold on to and give themselves a little bit of stability. We take care of that now. While it's at timber frame stage, we can make sure that we've got seriously awesome fixing, as well as the stability in that timber. If we use steel stud, and then let's say one of the electricians or the plumbers cut out too much of the steel stud to run their bits and pieces through, it can weaken up the whole frame. With timber, we can ensure that we're going to drill it in the exact center of that steel work, and we're not going to have any problems with being able to run our amenities through that. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick it over and I'll answer for you best I can, whenever I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels old. See you in the suit.